guys, today we're building the Lego Technic McLaren Formula E car. Extra wheels, extra engines, big sticker sheet, bag one. Here's the build after bag one. The two engines here and here. Pretty nice. I think this moves as well. Now look. So that moves that. Bag two. So here's the finished build after bag two. It's pretty nice. Two engines, McLaren sign there. We've used a lot more stickers. Bag three. There's the car setting off. And his close look at the car after I've built bag three. So pretty nice after 1.5 days of building. So thank you all for watching the video, and like and subscribe. Come back next time for the next video. Thanks for watching.